This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can initiate its installation directly from the search results. Then once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the Continue button. Then select if you would like to set Opera as your default browser, if you would like to enable notifications for Opera, or perhaps set it as your default browser. And finally, you can either customize the data collection preferences, or rather the data collection permissions that the Opera will have, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.